Hello students, good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today I will teach you some line patterns. Firstly, we will learn about standing line. Which line? Standing line. Which line? Standing line. Standing line means straight lines, means एकदम सीधी लाइन जो कि टॉप से लेके बॉटम तक एकदम सीधी होती है, like this. Understand? Now how to make standing line? Okay, which line? Standing line. Don't worry, I will tell you. Look here, I have prepared a tray and I have added salt in this. So, with the help of index finger, this finger is called index finger. Okay, this finger. You can use this finger. This is index finger. I have to make standing line. Okay, now start from top to bottom like this. Top to bottom like this. This is standing line. Which line? Standing line. Say this is standing line. Make another line. Top to bottom. Standing line. This is standing line. Make another standing line. Start from top to bottom. Top to bottom. This is standing line. Like this. You draw it like this. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. This is standing line. Which line? Standing line. Which line? Standing line. Standing line. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. Look at here. These lines are called standing line. Standing line is start from top to bottom, or you say up to down. Up to down. Start from up to down. This is standing line. Which line? Standing line. Okay. Now what can you do at home? With the help of parent, you can add anything like sugar, salt, anything available at your home to make a standing line. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. So you can practice this at home and say this is standing line. This is standing line. Which line? Standing line. Now come to the next activity. Okay, you can use A4 size paper or any notebook which is available at your home. I will use this because I have. Okay, now in standing line, first of all, you kids to start, you can draw like this, dotted line like this. Put some dots like this. Now the kid trace the line like this. Okay, you can put dots like this. Now the kid trace the line. Okay, like this. You can use any color or pencil. I am using this pencil, but kids, You can use any crayons color. Use any of favorite color or pencil. Okay. After doing this, you can give the kids small dotted line. Okay, like this. Small dotted line to make standing line, like this. Okay, small dotted line and join it like this. Like this. Okay. Now once the child knows, how will be the child doing it? We'll be doing it from top to bottom or up and down. Start from up and down and we'll say this is standing line. You put some dots like this and start from top to bottom. This is standing line. I have put it 2 dots here like this, and kids, you join it like start from this dot up to down like this. Okay, this is standing line. Start from top to bottom. Top to bottom. This is standing line. Okay, this is standing line. Standing line. Okay, which line? Standing line. While tracing it. Okay, which line? Standing line. This is standing line. You trace it like this. Okay. Now to make it more interesting, we are going to do some worksheet related to standing line. Okay, look here. So students, will you complete this worksheet at home with the help of parent? Parent will make such worksheet and given them to the children. This is your homework sheet. Okay, now see how to complete this. Come, do it with me. Okay, now can you tell me what is this? What is this? This is cloud. You know, this is cloud. These are 2 clouds. Okay, and now what is this? This is raindrop. Rain. Okay, now to join this rain, we will draw a standing line. Okay, look at here. Join it like this. You follow all the dots line like this. Okay, you join it like this. Follow all the dots line. आपको इस तरह सारी लाइंस को ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, सी Yes, this is completed. Okay, join all the dots line and complete your worksheet. After doing all this, now we come to the English book. Please open English workbook. Open page number 7. Okay, look at here. Standing line. Which topic is going on? Standing line. Here some exercise. Okay, trace the line using a favorite color. You can use any color, any crayons color or pencil. I have used pencil because I have. Okay, now how to make standing line? Okay, tell me firstly, what is this? These are बटरफ्लाई. क्या है ये? बटरफ्लाइज. इन बटरफ्लाइज को हमें इस फ्लावर तक लाना है. कैसे? इन डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करके. ओके, इन डॉट्स को हम ज्वाइन करके इस बटरफ्लाई को इस फ्लावर तक लेके आएंगे. ओके ओके, नाउ मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन. सी, like this, join all the dots like this. Okay, like this. Slowly, don't go outside the dots. See? Yes. Okay, see, मेरी स्टैंडिंग लाइन बन गई. Join all the dots. Yes, standing line. Which line? Standing line. Go slowly. Join all the dots and make standing line like this. Which line? Standing line. अब पर्पल वाली बटरफ्लाई को फ्लावर तक लाना है, तो मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन लाइक दिस. Yes, completed. Now second line, standing line. See, like this. Yes. Slowly, don't go outside the dots. Follow all the dots properly. Join it and make standing line like this. Okay, now come to the green butterfly. Join it like this. Yes, standing line. Which line? Standing line. Which line? Standing line. Repeat it. Standing line. Okay, now come a pink butterfly. Join all the dots and make standing line. Oh, don't go outside the dots. Yes, join it. Yes, standing line. Which line? Standing line. Go slowly. Join all the dots and make standing line. I have completed my. Okay, now you completed at home. Okay, now turn the page. Open page number 8. Now this is your exercise. You complete at home. Okay, now trace the standing line. Here these are some standing lines. You trace it. You know how to trace it? Yes. Join all the dots. Okay, like this. Okay, See, started from red line, top red line to bottom red line. Okay, this is your father line and this is your mother line and this is your, ये क्या है, kids line है. तो फादर लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. स्टार्ट विथ फादर लाइन एंड गोज टू मदर लाइन लाइक दिस एंड से टॉप टू बॉटम, top to bottom. You trace it like this, top to bottom, top to bottom. You can use any color or pencil. You can use crayons color. Okay, now complete it. Start from top to bottom. Join all the dots like this, like this. Okay, like this. Join all the dots very carefully. Don't go outside the dots. Okay, start with red line, upper red line to lower red line. Okay, you complete. इसको आपको पूरा कंप्लीट करना है. ठीक है, don't go outside the dots. This is your homework. Okay, complete it like this. Now what the child has done it in a book. Take out your English notebook, means English copy. Okay, this is your English copy. Now you can put the dots on a 4-line copy. Just 2 dots on a one on upper red line and second on the lower red line like this. Okay, and then ask your children to join the dots like this. You can put here dot upper red line and lower red line. Ask your children to join the dots like this, like this. You can put the dots like this and children to join the dots like this. Okay, like this, like this. You can put so many dots. Upper red line, one is lower red line. Okay, like this. You can put the dots like this. Then ask your children to join the dots. The child repeatedly spoke while tracing or joining the dot. It's a standing line. क्या बोलना है आपको? This is standing line. You join it like this. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. This is standing line. This is standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Okay, this is your homework. Complete it and submit to me. Okay, after doing all this you have to learn a one rhyme. Okay, now open book of English. This is your English book. Open page number 9. The rhyme name is Twinkle Twinkle. Okay, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yes, this is your rhyme. You learned it. You repeat with me once time, once again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good. Okay, now after this, please follow this YouTube link for this rhyme. And children, you remember it, you learn it. Okay, thank you.